What's up YouTube, Vik-Werks checking in another video for the MK4 R32. So today we're going to talk about MK4DubCust0ms, who basically custom made this Audi Porsche mirror meshed together as one in order to upgrade that and also give you the ability to have the W8 type of look, Witcher W8 console to match. Obviously it just accentuates the looks a little bit better and makes the car a little bit more modern. So I just think it's tasteful. If you guys haven't checked this eBay page, I would definitely encourage you to look into it and go from there. Anyways guys, just letting you guys know that, hey, this is the update so far. Nothing crazy, you know, just basically adding the additional wires, and that's pretty much it, and then going from there. So yeah guys, just want to touch on that and then tell you that, hey, you know, it's been a slow process, but I finally was able to order a new dash. So it should be like 6 months, 6 weeks from here, I mean. And then we should be able to put this car back together and obviously fix my HVAC duct system and go from there. And you know, to Home Fry, who ended up mocking on my awesome Canadian moccasins, you know. There you go, buddy. Anyways, good humor in life, you know. Gotta add that to life. So, anyways, yeah, just want to touch bases, let you guys know, hey, she's rocking. She's purring really nicely. Getting one step closer. You know, finishing all that, you know, steps to get her back roadworthy. And that's pretty much it. So yeah.